welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing small business taxes. Now I posted on my story today, it's just saying like, oh, I love tax season, and so many of you swiped up and said, could you do a YouTube video showing how you do your taxes? So I'm going to show you kind of how I do my taxes. I know a lot of small businesses might do theirs differently, but this is how I do mine. So the first thing that I do is I organize all of my receipts. So anything I buy for my business, pretty much just buy for it, like inventory, decor for my office, anything like that can be like a write-off. So I have everything printed throughout the year. After I order something, I always print it right away because I'm very forgetful on that. And so this is all of mine, and I just organized it for each month, and now I'm going to go ahead and put it into an Excel spreadsheet so you guys can see what I'm doing. So right now you guys can see my Excel spreadsheet. I just put the date, business, so that means like Amazon, Michael's, where I may like have bought the items from, and then the amount that I have it. So first we're gonna do all of this, and then we're gonna organize it just a little bit more. All right, now let's get to typing. So now that I have it organized by each month, because some months I like, or sometimes I do forget to print them off, so then I put them in my like little folder randomly. But so I organize them, and now we're gonna organize them by date. So I already organized January's date, and so now we're just gonna put everything into the Excel. Okay, so I just got done with January, and now I'm just summing up the total that I spent for January, and then we'll move on to February, and then we'll do that for every month after that. Okay, so I'm going to pretty much just keep doing that for every single month. So enjoy this little, I don't know, fast forward of me doing it all 12 months. This is absolutely crazy. So we finally have all of this done, and I'm gonna put that back in the folder later. But so we have all of the months done. We have all the totals for each month. As you can tell, I spent about $1,000 at least each month. One month was up to $5,000. But yeah, so that kind of shocks me because I'm just like, where's that money? But so now we have all of this done, and I'm honestly just gonna go ahead and box all of these like totals just to make them pop a little bit more. But pretty much after all of this is done, I then take it to a professional and they deal with the rest of everything. So after this, I don't really do much with it. My accountant just told me to pretty much just have it all organized for her, and she will do the rest. So I'm going to be printing this off after I get these last finishing touches on it, and then I'm going to put it with the rest of my receipts, and that's when it's all done. So yeah, here it is all finished. So as you can tell, I shop a lot on Amazon. But yeah, that's, yeah. A big thing that I want you guys to kind of take away from this video is just keep your receipts. Like, honestly, keep all of your receipts that you spend on your business, whether it's decor or actual items like that you will be eventually selling or turning into something else to sell. I've been told or advised that just keep your receipts because you never know like what could be a write-off and what can't be. So I just highly recommend to do that. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope that it truly did help you, because this is just the way that I do it, and then I hand it off to someone else. I don't do it fully, but this will just get you prepared to be a little bit more organized and stay organized throughout the year for your small business. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed already, as well as turn on that notification bell every time I post a new video. So thank you guys. Love you lots. Bye.